dance group.
Today we dance in competition. So here means this is a state level competition. Means like Assam government have given this competition in all around the Assam, on all district of Assam. So at first the competition was conducted in BCDC level and now in LSA level. So here today, yes, today we came and then we danced in this LSA level competition. We joined and then we danced how much we could do, and that is their just decision that they will give us select or not.
Group name.
Huh?
Group name.
Yeah.
Group name.
And our group name is Akil Jharna.
Oh, kapan?
And our group is from Assam, Chirang, Santipur, Nakedara village.
Santipur BCDC.
And we came here from Santipur BCDC.
Apa itu tujuan?
Ya itu munal sasara.
Noda bicara di pihak.
Ini tuh dance competition lagi deh na.
Aku pada apa nih?
Ini tuh suara ini na.
Sering tu sering.
Gue aja deh.
Apa itu bilang apa sering sejak?
Ini alat tuh lebih nabi dah.
Noda aku main ke jemaah sidai ko sering aku ungkara. Apa itu yang kenapa?